Hello friends! Welcome to SuperKidsToys, where you are super! Don't mind me, I'm just trying to decide what I should get from the vending machine. Should I get the rotten raspberries? Slime apple? I'll go with the sour grapes. Beep. Toot toot toot. What's going on? Oh no! It's the Grossery Gang! No! Ew! Yuck! No! They're so crazy and angry and ugly! Ugh! There's only one way to do this. Gloves on! We need to discover what each of these groceries are and if they are contagious. Here's our examination board. We're gonna write down all of the groceries' names. Are you ready? This is gonna be yucky. Ew. What does this look like to you? It's brown and has some kind of flour mix? It's a stale muffin. Now this, oh my god, it has something coming out of its mouth and some fungus. This is barf biscuit. Green, pink. You would think it's salt and pepper, but those are not the right colors. Let's call it snot and pepper. Here we have some sort of frozen drink. Let's call it rotten raspberry. Ew, this is like a cracker. It is yellow, but has some mold on it. Cracked cracker. This one has a stick on top, looking like it was a lollipop at some point, but definitely not anymore. Ew! Lolly slop. Yuck! Yogurt. You know what? Let's call it back. Yuck. Yogurt. Ew! Look at this egg. It's rotten. What are those brown dots? No. Rotten egg. This one right here, it helps make you look spotty and feel really grotty. It's the spotty sit cream. Oh, yuck! From the awful sauces team, it's so rotten and sticky, it makes anything icky. Terrible tomato sauce. From the sticky sweets team, it's the licorice to choose when you're looking for ooze. Ew! This chocolate bar right here has a crusty taste that lasts after it comes up fast. Ew! Crusty chocolate bar. Uh-oh! It's the slimy soy that brings no joy. Bad soy. Oh no! This used to be a Twinkie, but it's now moldy and nasty. Let's call it Stinky. Ew! This juice? It's squeezed, but it comes from the moldiest fruits. No, leaky juice. Ew, this soda is so sticky. Let's call it that, sticky soda. And we are done. All the groceries have been identified. Good job, everyone. Oh, wait, we forgot about the surprise groceries. They're coming! Ugh, this one's gooey shooey. Yuck. Grimy lime. It should be a refreshing drink, but it's gross now. Stinky mint. Definitely stinky. Yes, it's yellow. Ew. And a gooey smush. This is a chocolate, but doesn't look too good to me. Catch them! I almost had it. Oh no, they have entered the Yucky Mart. They are so gross. This is not gonna be good. We have to find them. Help me. Alright, here we have the first group. There's the second group. Yuck! Here we go. Can you see any of them? Here! Yuck! Ew! Have you seen the sodas? Or any drink at all? Oh, there's more over here. Let's catch them. Now, we're just missing the drinks. Where do you think they could be? They do like to be cold. Let's check the cooler. They're all in here. I have a surprise for them. Goodbye! We have found them all. This place needs a serious cleanup. It is now closed. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, like and subscribe to SuperKidsToys, where you are super! See you next time!